Hello everyone, this is Sammy and today I'm gonna show you my way to make my super cute cactus candle. The best part is that they look amazing as decoration whenever you light them up or not. You don't need to be an expert candle maker to create them. Let's take a look at the materials and tools you need. I'm using liquid dye, a vessel, wick and wick sticker, some adorable cactus molds, a melting pot, glass rod, a few paper cups, a thermometer, and an electronic scale. For the wax, I'm using Snowflake Wax, Soy Wax Peeler Blend, Beeswax. First of all, I'm starting by placing the wick in the center of the vessel with a wick sticker. Then I'm moving to the pot of cactus. I used the ratio of 2 parts of beeswax to 8 parts of soy wax as usual. Once I've melted the wax and added color, I'll warm the molds with a heat gun. I'm pouring the wax into the molds at around 75 degrees Celsius. You can adjust the shape, size, and the color of the cactus to create a candle that's as unique as you are. To create the sandy base, I'll put some snowflake wax into the paper cups. I'm going to add a drop or two of liquid dye. Once I've added the dye to the snowflake wax, I'll use a glass rod and start stirring. I'll keep stirring till the wax looks like this. The uneven color makes the sandy base more realistic. I've created my first batch of sand and it's time to mix up some more colors. This time around, I'm making 3 different colors of sand. You can always make more colors if you like to create even more variety. Now that I've mixed the snowflake wax and dye, it's time to pour it into the vessel. I'll start by pouring in one color to create the base layer. You may use a spoon or glass rod to make the adjustment. I'm pouring different colors of snowflake wax into the vessel to create layers. Now that I've poured all the snowflake wax and created the layers, the cactus candle sets so I can place them onto the snowflake wax. give it a little adjustment, and here is my cactus candle. Whether you're a seasoned candle maker or someone just started to make candles, making cactus candles is fun and easy. With some simple steps and a bit of creativity, you can create a beautiful and unique candle. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye!